about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Hakka training on ICRT, and this whole month we're taking you to Hualien County, Jian Township. Now, the Hakka normally immigrated to Taiwan on the west coast. How on earth did they end up on the east coast? Well, Leo is going to tell us all about the history behind it. 今天呢，要带大家到花莲县的吉安乡来了解客家人来到这边二次移民的历史。待会儿 Leo 呢会一一跟我们解说哦。Hi Leo，
嗨，
今天来到吉安乡啊，这感觉很吉利又很安全的地方哎。
但是你知道吗？这个地方就地名叫吉野。
吉野，哎，这不就很日本的感觉了吗？
对啊，以前这边很多日本人，都是来自吉野。战后这些日本人离开了台湾之后呢，很多的桃竹苗的客家人来到这边，在历史上就称作二次移民。
对嘛，因为客家人呢，第一次移民是在西岸，而第二次移民就是来到这边东岸了。
是。
那你为什么带一个锄头啊？在干嘛？
这锄头是要给你用的啊！
我今天来还要做劳力？
当然啦，你开玩笑要体验一下客家先民垦荒的辛苦啊！
哦，了解。
对，
光是你刚刚讲从西岸走到东岸就已经很辛苦了，来这边还要开垦哎。
对啊，以前这边都是一个荒地，所以呢，客家人就是一锄头一锄头把这土里头的大大小小的石头把它挖出来，然后把泥土跟石头分类好，然后田地最底下的地方先垫了石头，上面呢再铺一层厚厚的泥土，盆盆的泥土，把它填上去，这样才能种东西啊。
哦，对，所以这应该是好几个月、好几年的开垦。
对，然后我们刚刚讲到说还有石头嘛，这石头呢就可以铺在这个旁边，变成这个田埂。
哦，了解了。OK， 那我们就带着锄头感受一下先民们的这个辛苦。
好
，All right。
Hualien's Jian Township is home to one of the Hakka people's greatest cultural assets. After the Second World War ended, the Taiwan Sugar Factory sponsored the immigration of Hakka people from the west to the east coast in what is known as the Second Migration. With their great skill in reclaiming the land, the Hakka turned a wilderness into farmland. As they tilled the land, they separated the soil from the rocks and used the rocks to make elevated paths between the fields. This provided protection from the wind as well as an easy way to get around.
好，那 Leo 呢？我们现在来教大家一些单字了，比如说石头，我说
叫 saktel。
Saktel，OK，that's a stone or rock。And then 你刚刚有讲客语嘛，厚厚的，对不对？怎么说？
厚的叫盆呢。
盆呢？那如果是薄的话呢？
就叫 poge。
poge is thin， 盆 is thick。Now you know, and that does it for today's Hakka training on ICRT。
什么大家？
按字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.